doing my videos like I was. You don't even want to see what's under here. It's so dirty. So I threw this hat on and I'm going out to run some errands, and then I'm coming back and washing it. Okay, let's see how we did. I might not have to jump in the shower because I feel like I got like a good clean. So I think I'm not gonna get in the shower. I think this is good right here. So now we can start to braid it up. Okay, I got my apricot oil and I have some water just in case my hair dries up. I got some rubber bands. And that is it, right? That's all I use, right? I think so. Yeah. So, I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know. I guess, I think that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this oil on here and you know, I'm lazy. I used to like part it in sections and put the oil throughout. Now I just kind of slap it on like this. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to braid, I've been wearing it to the side, but I'm gonna braid it back today because I haven't done that one in a while. So let's do that. So I just take that one, this one, and then this one. So that's 3. And then let's braid it back. Oh God, my arms hurt. What time is it right now? 12:56 in the afternoon. We'll see how long this takes. Braid it all the way down. And voila, there's our first one. Okay, let me continue on. Okay, this is our last one. And let's see what time it is. I did, it's 1:18. And I started at 12:56, and I did go downstairs and chat with my husband a bit, and then came back up, and telling you 20 minutes, that is it. Okay, so we're done. We're just gonna wear them going back like this. See it all? Okay, that's it. Let me put some Jamaican black castor oil on my edges. And I'm done. I'm going, it's actually really nice outside today, you guys. It's like 74 degrees. It is the end of January. It's so nice. And I think tomorrow is going to be kind of like the same. Anyway, we have, what was I gonna say? We're getting rain on Thursday, so this is not gonna last long. But anyway, I don't know what that is on the screen. Okay, we're good. We're just gonna clean up the rest of the day. We're gonna let our hair air dry. We are going to clean up and we'll be good. I'll probably leave these in till today is Saturday. I'll probably wear my hair like this to work on Monday, maybe even Tuesday, we'll see. But I am gonna just kind of pull these three back so that they won't fall on my face, and we are good to go. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Done. We'll put our lipstick on last. Let me show you what I'm thinking for outfit. By the way, it is, what is it, January 28th, and it is going to be 75 degrees outside today. Gotta love it. For the rest of this lovely Sunday, I will edit, maybe just relax, because you know we gotta go to work tomorrow. Probably just relax and watch some Housewives, because I love Housewives. I watch all the franchises except, actually I watch all the franchises, every single one of them. So I need to catch up on Miami. I'm caught up on everything else, so I'm gonna catch up on Miami, and that is it.